Hey guys, Cold721 here, and today we are doing a Moto vlog. This is something different. I've never done this, but hopefully it's a bit interesting. So what I'm going to be talking about in today's video is going to be a new GoPro that will be coming soon to the channel. It is $200 for the GoPro. It's going to be a GoPro Hero 7 White, and I'm getting also a bunch of mounts with it for better videos. And I'm going to keep my eye on, which I'm recording on now, always for other stuff such as my racing, which is coming out soon over the summer. So be looking forward to better videos from the GoPro. I mean, it's something that's interesting to me, something I'm putting lots of work in to get out for you guys, and that's about $250 of my own money just for you guys. So hopefully I can make some good videos and you guys can watch some good videos. So basically right now I'm just riding on the Genie's 50 dirt bike. Pretty nice. I can do some wheelies here. It's pretty bad wheelie, man. Let's go. Okay, well, what I think we're gonna do for today's video is we're going to go to the big track, and yeah. Like, this is really interesting. Basically how I'm recording this is, so the Ion doesn't have built-in audio. So what I'm doing is I have my phone in my helmet, and then that's picking up the audio of me talking, and then the Ion's recording me riding, and it's also recording the dirt bike sound and all that. So I think that's how I'm going to do this until I get built-in audio with the GoPro and all that kind of stuff. Probably switch up this. It's not the best way to do this, but for now let's try and kill this track. So yeah, turn one here, up banking, over the jump, into the right-hander, over the middle jump. Usually you can only wheelie that on the 50, which I just did. Around here, hit the outside rut, over the back jump, the highest spot on the track for speed, through this. Now I'm going to hit this inside rut, which comes here, makes you have a slow exit. With the inside of this turn, this is the worst turn to go on the inside. Doesn't really have any banking. Then here, the 180 hairpin. It's a good turn, I love that turn. Over the middle jump, and then that's it. So we'll jump off these berms and then go check out somewhere else. Here we go. Yeet. Oh, yeah, it lands pretty hard on this. It doesn't have much suspension, but it's pretty fun. I think that's my mom up there. She's probably going next door. Trying to follow her. But yeah, if you guys like these motor vlogs, if they entertain you, or there's something that you'd like to see besides montages, then feel free to either like the video or tell me in the comment section, because I do appreciate the comments. Another thing that I want to say thank you on is I hit 400 views on my Ready song, which was my first ever song. It's great to see all the support from it, because I've always wanted to make little songs that weren't very good, but then I made that one. It seemed to attract a lot of you guys, so I want to thank you for that. It's my second most viewed video on the channel, so thank you a lot for that. And I hope in the future, if you suggest to do it, I could make more of those videos. So right now there's a new trail I can show you It's pretty fun. My grandpa made it the other day when he was bored, so I actually fell over in a different video, but I can show you that right now. Yo! Yeah. So that was not very good, but hopefully I don't crash this time. It's a bit slick. As you can see, it's like sand. Like you can do wheelies and like burnouts, but I don't think I can burn out on this thing. It doesn't really have a lot of front brake. Got all that in my shoe already. Little wheelie out. I guess we could also show you guys the big track, but another thing is that big stuff is coming for the channel actually. The RC track, that's a supercross track basically now, and the big track we're hoping to get in new jumps and make it a lot wider. Sorry about that, I had jumped. Make it a lot wider so that you can battle more. It's very bumpy. I'm sorry about the audio. My voice jumps in between it because of all the bumps, but hope you can understand that. So I'm also gonna be, here's the track. I'm also gonna be racing this summer, actual racing, big dune buggies, driving around short cars track. So that should be pretty interesting. Hopefully I can record that. Not exactly sure how those videos will work. I've never done anything as big as that, but hopefully I can do good for you guys. Yeah, I am going to the race, but I'm not racing this next one. I'll be racing all the other ones after that, but going with Nathan to Crandon, Wisconsin to watch the races. So I did a vlog there in 2017. It was pretty cringy. I still am pretty cringy, but not as much. I don't have such a squeaker voice as much anymore. But if you want to see a vlog there, then just put it down in the comments. Hey, you should vlog Crandon. Or I'll have a little exclamation point up there in the corner if you want to vote vlog Crandon yes or no. So that's up to you guys, but I'll still, even if you guys don't do it or don't vote on it for yes, then I probably won't record it, but I might still bring my camera in case I get some comments saying to do it over the weekend. But yeah, once again, get a new GoPro Hero 7 Lite, just like Will. Will made his new YouTube channel the other day, so it's called Will Space Duh Beast, and then that's his new channel. He has 6 subscribers. He used to be Just Will or Crispy Bacon 23. You might remember that. They were okay videos, but definitely getting better at them, getting better at editing. Got his GoPro, and he made one video, another one coming soon, probably in this next week. So if you guys are feeling down to support his new channel like you did with his old one, then I guess you could go drop him a subscribe and a like on his video. So yeah, basically that's all the information I wanted to tell you guys. Remember to have fun with the summer. I wish you guys the best to have an entertaining summer, and hopefully I can make some good videos for you over the summer, and we can have a awesome year. So this has been Colton721. I am out.